Hello, everybody. You stole my catchphrase.
Ow!
Today, slapped him with
today we will do Galactic Bounty Hunter. We are Galactic Bounty Hunters.
Did you notice you have a mustache?
Yes, I always knew that. We are Galactic Bounty Hunters, son.
Oh, we're in Halo. Because that was a Halo ship.
Is it?
Yeah. It's a Halo ship.
Tell us in the comments.
Oh God, he's burning.
Okay. That's creepy.
It wasn't creepy, it was weird.
How do we get rid of this?
We took the flower sword. And
fire!
not, I said flower. Fire, sorry.
We took the flower sword. Oh, son, are you okay?
No.
I hope you are.
You're on me, Dad. I'm up your butt crack.
So you're gonna come out with a piece of poop sometime.
Hey, it's not fair.
Yeah, you just said my butt's not fat.
I said you're not fair. I shall create the gorilla phrase.
Paradise. Where are we, son? Son, where are we?
We're the red piece of blob.
What? Son, do we lose our helmets? Son.
I didn't have a helmet.
Yeah,
because I stole it.
Where do we know that?
I gave
the world.
Luke, don't you remember that we gave the helmet to charity?
Oh yeah, but I might steal it back if you don't mind. Yeah, I'm gonna steal it back. Do you mind?
No.
Oh, all these are denied. It's late. Oh, I really wanted to go to Yay, emergencies! Emergencies are happening. Yay! Is that
Dad!
something happened? I'm sorry, son.
That's not my arm.
That's my arm.
I know.
Alright, son.
Wait, what'd you click restart?
Yeah, because I broke and I accidentally shifted off.
I like the pink.
Okay!
And the red.
See, I told you I'd take my helmet back. I stole it back. I just spoke to jail and I just got wanted in jail and stuff.
Why is that old man
5 seconds.
Dad?
Oh well, blood everywhere.
Yeah, it's not.
Life's delayed. Help me.
Wait, Hong Hong is place.
Hong Kong.
Airport.
Running.
Emergency. Emergency. The class. Dad, you killed us all.
Yeah. Ow.
Gorilla Falcon?
Man. Where have I been? Where have I been?
Crap.
Herb goes to the. Come on, son.
Yeah.
Where are you? Oh, I remember this. It keeps happening.
Oh yeah, but that one's.
Oh, here's all the dragonfly. All right, are you ready to fly? Moped couple. What does that mean? What does that mean?
Dad, you ready for this? Oh man, I'm the dragon. You're the man.
Hi, I'm Lore. Press space. Use the arrow keys to get started. Oh, this is really cool.
Hello, mister. That's on my back. How may I serve you?
You may fly.
I am flying. You're not controlling me right.
I'm trying to.
You suck.
Help me.
You suck.
I'm sorry. Dragon, my arm is stuck in you.
So it looks like a pretty necklace. See, Luke, it does.
Oh yes, you have a new necklace made out of my arms. Yes, it's beautiful.
The Anterbees. Oh, wipe out!
Where? Oh yes.
Click the wrong one.
Yes, son. Are you ready?
Yes.
Son, we're going in wipeout. Be ready, okay?
Luke, why are you still in your bathing suit?
You don't even know.
Dad, why are you still in your bathing suit?
This isn't bathing suits. You're
Yes.
having visions.
You're lying. You're having the visions.
Oh, God!
Did you hear
Bye
you?
bye.
Oh, God.
That is the worst wipeout level ever.
Mm.
It's not even water.
Give it 1 star.
That's the worst wipeout ever. Even though it doesn't count. Rap battle.
Wait, rap.
Rap burgers! I'm looking for something that you can do. Happy Halloween!
Poop.
Son, are you ready?
No.
We're decorating our
No.
house. We're decorating
No.
You're not ready for Halloween.
No.
Happy Halloween! So you're ready for Halloween.
Yes. Oh, this is a true fact. Last night I watched Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
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 It's car.
Massacre.
Son, it's pronounced massacre.
No. In real life, I guess. Why'd you go in Pumpkin's mouth? You can never trust Pumpkin.
Sorry, son. I tried to take care of you.
My pumpkin's really good, though.
The pumpkin smells really good.
Yeah. Ouch!
Pokemon!
I cracked my neck.
Son, are you alright?
No.
You're not alright, son?
Yes.
Are you choking?
Yes. Oh, crap. I did it again.
Pixie dust!
Oh, my God. It's the magical owl.
Crap dust.
Damn,
Crap
son.
dust!
Why did that woman say damn?
Because she's stinky. And she's...
Pikachu!
Hello, Ash.
But not Ash. Don't run over Pikachu.
I'm trying not to. Just this man, his corpse is in the way. Ow!
I told you don't.
Son, help me! Help me, son!
No.
Son!
Oh, why did you run over? He's got your dead corpse.
Help me. They're evil. They're evil birds. So rude. So rude.
Vampire birds.
Why, who calls me Ash? Who calls me Ash?
Damn, son.
Wait, you're my mother?
No, fat lady.
Wait, so that's your grand. So that's who got ran over.
Wait, that's my grandma.
Wait, your grandma did get ran over, really?
No, that's your mom.
I know. My mom would be your would be considered.
No,
your...
it's mom's mom.
Oh, I lost Pikachu.
It's mom's mom that got
Pokemon!
Oh, crap.
Oh, crap, dusted it. Crap, dusted it.
Pikachu!
Ow!
Pikachu?
Oh, crap.
Oh, I just killed its owner.
Pikachu helped you.
I'm sorry, Pikachu.
Pikachu helped
Alright,
you.
Pikachu, come on. Pikachu, lead us. Pikachu.
You ran over Pikachu!
No, Pikachu's leading us. I'm just considering him as the leader now.
No, you're the leader, Dad.
Oh, I hate you, son.
Aww.
I don't want to be the leader. I don't want to lead the pack.
No,
Oh, water.
You hurt my feelings, Dad. That's what I did.
I'm sorry, son. I have to continue on. Bye, son. Pikachu, lead me.
You know, Dad, I'm secretly God.
What?
Is
Is that your friend? Son, is that your friend?
No, he's a devil. His name is Onyx.
Onyx the devil. You are a trainer. A trainer summoned this guy. Pikachu, fight!
Oh, see that old man that's
Yeah.
leading? That's me.
Alright, this is my...
You saw me in the future.
Son.
Oh crap!
What's a Pikachu stronger than Onyx?
No.
That's impossible. Well, we're gonna end this video here. Thank you for watching.
Happy Wheels.
Bye.
Goodbye. Summon you to end. I'm